Hi, good evening. Welcome everyone to Wealth Wizards. This is Jagadish Chandran. It's a special occasion for me as this is my 6 months anniversary since I have started my YouTube channel. And Nifty hits all-time highs in this today. And our cherry picks has generated a returns of 20, 30, up to 60% return in this 5 months period of time. And hope my subscribers and viewers are benefiting from my views and it's helping in their investment and trading decisions. If so, do hit the like button and share it to your loved ones looking for market updates and interesting insights. And if you are watching our channel for the first time, do hit the like button and share it to your friends. And do not miss to subscribe our channel for interesting insights and market updates. Thank you, happy investing and safe trading. Take care.